solemnly resolve to present India into a political liberty of thought, expression, belief, and the unity and confidently.
My name is Ashraf. I am studying in first standard. Today's news: shortage of essential medicine in Karnataka hospital. Thank you. Today, good talk. Be kind, be happy.